Okay, this is my helper. She's been taking all the screws off, all the top. All that stuff is gone now. Okay, let's take that dash. Alright, go, catch your glass, catch your glass, catch your glass. Alright, go, catch your glass, catch your glass, catch your glass. Be very careful, don't break the glass.
That's glass?
That's glass. I should have warned you, huh?
I thought those were plastic.
Good helper. In new cars, they're plastic. We're going to take this piece and weld up that hole and weld up that piece, make it all shiny. And that's what's left.
Put this in the wood box.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm the helper.
I'm actually the worker. He's the helper. Turn the camera on you.
They know who I am. Okay, here we are at the end of the day. We're just about ready. We got all these holes ground up and cleaned up. Got the dash ready. We're going to do some welding, patch those two holes there, weld in those holes, get to the door on the other side and get those holes welded up. Get these extra holes in here welded up. Got all that rust off of there. Out from under the seat. So we're about ready for a weld day. I think we're going to have to wait until next week. Well, that's it for today. That's it for today. Do you want to say something, helper?
Bye.
Thanks for the help.
You're welcome.
How much do I owe you?
$5.
All right. Got off cheap.
Maybe I'll...
I'm getting ready to weld up the hole for the where the radio was. Here I got a piece of sheet metal bent in from about the right shape. Got a magnet holding it in place. I lined it with a ruler and got some tape for support there, and I'm going to weld this one corner right here. I'm going to have to remove my ruler first or I'll destroy it. Okay, I'm going to make just a little tack mark here and get this thing started. Perfect right there. I'll live with that. Put me a little tack weld right here. Yeah, that's working better. Just tack mark every couple inches so it doesn't warp. I'll get that thing all tacked up real good. Get this thing to focus here. Oh yeah. There you go. I got some good welds. I got it too hot here. I'm gonna have to back that heat off. These are good down here. Okay. Okay, here's the plate welded in. Got about every inch of that plate welded in. A nice weld. Got those holes welded up. The dash almost straight. I'm gonna have to do a little bondo. Some of these holes welded up. Now we're gonna spread a little bondo on it. Okay, I got that spot welded in real good, and we got some bondo on it. Got these holes taken care of. We got these doors taken care of. Today we got this dash back in. The instrument cluster, I should say. Got it all cleaned up, the glass cleaned up, put back in. And since it had one big hole in it, I just made another big hole and put 2 gauges in. Gave it a nice silver paint job and screwed it back in place. Only got about 8 of these screws, but only 4 of them hold this plate in, or 7 of them hold it in. When we ever get ready to paint the inside, if we do, then we'll just take that right back out. 2 gauges aren't hooked up, but the fuel, the speedometer, and the temp and the oil should work. Okay, that's what we got today. You could see next to that instrument panel how I worked on the where they had cut out the dash. I used a piece of metal that was contoured to the dash and worked on that body filler and got that looking real nice. Thanks for watching Body Works Part 6.